To pledge. Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents. I shall give respect to my parents. Teachers. And all elders. And treat everyone with courtesy. To my country. And my people. I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Aaron from Grade-IX Jasper. State news. Auto LPG supply restored at 17 outlets in Telangana. Sports news. GT versus DC. GT won by 1 run. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Vedant of Grade-IX Jasper. Today's weather report is brought to you by Vedant of Grade-IX Jasper. Minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius, wind speed 11 km per hour, precipitation 0%, mostly sunny. Thank you.
Today's thought is brought to you by Geetanjali from Grade-IX Jasper. And today's thought: the fragrance of the flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. I'll repeat it once again. The fragrance of the flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. Thank you and have a good day.
Today's word is brought to you by Hasini of Grade-IX Jasper. Word: candid. It means truthful and straightforward. Example: let's have a candid discussion on homework. Friends, please spell after me. C-A-N-D-I-D. Candid. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhargavi.
And I'm Brinda.
We are from Grade-IX Jasper, here to present a short and sweet conversation based on importance of education in India.
Hey, I have been thinking about the education in India lately. It's crazy. How much impact will the India give for us?
That's true. I mean, education is like a game changer for individual and country as a whole. India had made so many strides, but there is still so much of work to be done.
Exactly. Literacy rates are improving, but still there is a gap in rural areas. But for this, it's not just about the access, it's about the quality too. So
Yeah.
many kids are falling and facing these problems as a cracks.
Yeah, it's heartbreaking. We need to focus more on practical skills, critical thinking, not just a rote learning. That's what makes India competitive globally.
Totally agree. It's not just about the economic. Education empowers the people, breaks the poverty, and it's a big deal.
Exactly. Brunda, what do you think is holding us the back most? Is it funding, infrastructure, or just a mindset thing?
Yes, this is a tough one, as interesting as good idea. But for this, here the mindset plays a big role. Do you know we need to value education as much and as more?
That's so true. Educate a child and build a nation. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Vijesh of Grade-IX Jasper. Question for grade 6. Who wrote the poem Daffodils? I repeat it again. Who wrote the poem Daffodils? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is William Wordsworth. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. Question for grade 8. Who wrote the book The Blue Umbrella? I repeat it again. Who wrote the book The Blue Umbrella? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Ruskin Bond. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Who wrote the book The Midsummer Night's Dream? I repeat it again. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is William Shakespeare. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Who wrote the book The Wings of Fire? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.